Alright, friends, let's really dive deep into this LPT situation. Earlier, we have also taken LPT short trade around 8.5, which works so well. And this time, we are again taking LPT trade because there are some critical nuances we need to understand before making any moves. I am talking next level analysis that will help you see the market like a pro. What we are observing here is a textbook case of structural breakdown followed by potential retest, but with several layers of complexity that require careful examination across multiple time frames. First, that breakdown value 7.49 was not just any ordinary support trade. This was a major weekly level that had held strong through multiple tests since March, which means its violation carries significant weight in terms of market psychology and likely triggered numerous stop losses. The subsequent bounce to form a higher low at 8.51 is interesting because it's showing us that not all sellers are convinced yet. There is still some buying pressure trying to defend this zone, but here is what really matters: the character of that bounce. Notice how the recovery from 7.07 to 8.51 occurred on relatively weak volume compared to the selling volume during the breakdown. That's our first red flag suggesting this might be more of a dead cat bounce than a genuine reversal. Now the critical level we are watching is 7.6. This is not just some random number. It is the Fibonacci retracement of the entire move down from 10.78 to 7.07, combined with where the 4-hour 50 AMA is currently lurking. The market has a funny way of respecting these confluences, and if price cannot decisively reclaim this zone, it would confirm that 8.51 was indeed just a temporary higher low before continuation downward. Here is exactly how we will approach this. We are setting a limit order at 7.98, giving it some breathing room with the condition that price first shows rejection at our 7.60 confirmation level. We want to see at least two consecutive 4-hour candles closing below 7.6 before activating our position. Our stop loss at 8.3 is not arbitrary. It's placed above both the recent zone high and the 0.618 FIB level, creating a beautiful risk reward scenario where our potential profit down to 7.10 is double than our risk. Now let's talk targets. 7.4 is our first deep profit zone because it aligns with the previous monthly low from February, but the real money will be made at 7.1, where we have confluence with the yearly VWAP and a major liquidity pool visible in the order book depth. In a strong downtrend, a 200 EN often acts more like a speed bump than a true reversal point. We might see a brief pause there before continuation. What makes this trade particularly compelling is the bigger picture context. The entire altcoin market is showing relative weakness against BTC, and LPT is weekly RSI just crossed below 40 for the first time since January in long time. And these macro factors support our bearish thesis. For those wondering about position sizing, Since this is a counter trend bounce play, we are keeping it to 50% of our normal position and using tight stop loss once we hit our first target. Remember, I have pinned all these key cons in the stream so you can track them easily. And if you have got any questions about the setup or entry timing, drop them in the chat now because when this triggers, it might move fast. One final pro tip: watch the Bitcoin dominance chart closely. If it continues rising, that outflow from alts like LPT will likely accelerate, adding fuel to our downside move. Let's stay disciplined and wait for our exact setup to materialize. No early entries are recommended.